I'm doing a wonderful grilled red pepper scallops. It's gonna be succulent over that wood fire. And I'm just gonna be cooking on this grill. And I'm gonna be starting with a wonderful dish, grilled red pepper scallops. And these are real easy to put together. I've got my scallops. I'm gonna put the zest of 1 lemon, which is really gonna be nice when that flavor gets into that scallop. And now I'm gonna put a few tablespoons of olive oil on them. I'm gonna put some fresh pepper and just a little house seasoning. And my house seasoning is 1 cup of salt, 1/4 of a cup of garlic powder, and 1/4 of a cup of pepper. Don't those look good? All right. Now I'm gonna wrap these in a roasted red pepper. I've got some on the grill now. You can see they're just roasting away. See how that skin turns black on them? That's perfect. We want them to just kind of char away. All right, now I've got some that I've already roasted. And when you take your red peppers off the grill, you want to drop them down in a paper sack. Make sure that top is sealed real good because they're going to continue to steam. And by them steaming in that bag, it's going to make it easier for us to get those skins off. So let's come in here and see that. The skin is loose on them and it just peels right off. Look at that. All right. So we'll want to cut our bell pepper this way so that our strips are long enough to go around these sea scallops. All right, now if you don't want to go to the trouble, you can use a jarred roasted red pepper, but I just love the idea of roasting them off myself. It like sweetens them. It's as good as candy. I'm using wooden skewers that I've soaked in water so that they don't catch a fire. Okay. All right. Look how good that looks. Mmm. So look at those. Does that not look wonderful? All right, now before I put these on the grill, I want to give them a light spray. Just a light cooking spray. So let's come on over here. Oh, you can see our peppers are roasting nicely. I'm gonna just slide those out of the way so I can drop the scallops on the grill. Now, you don't want to cook these too long. We want to just cook these until the transparent look of a scallop is gone. Hear that sizzle? It's like it's screaming. Ow! Oh. These are gonna be absolutely delicious. I'm just taking the scallops off the grill and they look just delicious. And these look perfect. You can look at them and tell that the transparent look that scallops have is totally gone. They look wonderful, don't they? So let's see what we've got. Look at that. You can see that it's still moist inside. The scallop and the roasted red pepper are just a perfect match. Oh, am I gonna enjoy eating those? Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.